just doing some surveying out on the third site, Heather's site, the church, and it just started pouring, and now we're under this beautiful shelter waiting for it to stop.
On August 19, 2008, all of the senior civil engineering students from the University of Evansville left for a week in the Dominican Republic. But the trip wasn't a vacation. It was the first step in their senior project, designing 2 humanitarian buildings in the Third World Republic.
The first project was the church. We were going to design a concrete church. I think it's about a 14,000 square foot church for the existing congregation there. Their current church is in disrepair. And then the other team was doing the drainage plans, I believe, and the grassing plans for a sports complex.
The project, which would occupy the students throughout their senior year, is just one of the many opportunities UE civil engineering students have to put their skills to real-world use.
The civil engineering program is part of the mechanical and civil engineering department. We have both mechanical and civil together, but we're a small civil engineering program. We have about 55 students. 2/3 of our civil engineering students get involved in some of our projects, and of course 100% of our civil engineering students do a senior design project.
At most schools, getting involved in these projects is an option available only to upper-class students, but not at the University of Evansville.
You can get involved at U of E much quicker than you can at a larger university. At those schools, the head figures on projects are usually juniors or seniors, and they have enough people to fill all the roles.
But at the University of Evansville, it's easy to get involved, and to do so very quickly.
It was really easy to get involved with it because all you had to do was just go, show up, show that you wanted to participate, and there was plenty of jobs for everyone who wanted to get involved.
It puts us a step ahead of everybody else. I've gone to conferences through ASME, and I've gone up and asked people, well, what projects do you guys work on? And I'll talk to juniors and seniors who have never worked on a project before.
And they don't just participate in these contests. When UE's engineering students go up against the best that bigger schools have to offer, the Purple Aces usually end up near the top.
We went to the Nationals in concrete canoe in 2005, and at Clemson University we got 6th nationally. That's the highest placement that a first-time school at Nationals has ever placed. In moon buggy, in the NASA competition down in Huntsville, Alabama, we were 1st nationally in 2008. And this year we won the Great Lakes region in concrete canoe. And we won the overall conference at the Great Lakes region, which was the first time in 14 years that any school other than the University of Wisconsin has won.
How do UE students become so skilled so fast? Because as a smaller institution, our professors have more time to spend one-on-one with students, helping meet their individual needs to make them the best they can be.
I definitely think a smaller school gives you more opportunities because, I have every single one of my professors' cell phone numbers. I can call them if I have a problem, if I need help with something.
I think it's what distinguishes the University of Evansville civil engineering graduate from civil engineering graduates from a lot of other schools. And we've heard that from a number of employers who tell us that our graduates are basically able to hit the ground running.